Today, we have an exciting topic to explore: price negotiation in China. Have you ever dealt with Chinese seller or buyer? Did they ever negotiate price with you? How do you feel about it? Well, let me tell you, price negotiation is an integral part of Chinese business culture, and it happens in almost every deal, big or small. Whether it's haggling over a few pennies or bargaining for a spring onion in the traditional market, negotiations are everywhere. Now, picture this. You are strolling through a vibrant market in China. The aroma of street food fills the air and all around. You see vendors and customers engage in lively conversations. What they are doing? Price negotiation, of course. It is a fascinating aspect of Chinese commerce, and if you are familiar enough with their business culture, you will quickly realize that the negotiation price is the norm. So today, I will introduce you 20 most common phrases about price negotiation. It could be used in your daily life or your business. Let's start it. Before we start, if you would like to learn more Chinese phrases, please subscribe to the channel and you will not miss anything. 价格 price. 价 means price or value. 格 means standard or format. So price standard or price format is what we mean price. For example, 请问这件商品的价格是多少? Excuse me, what is the price of this item? 请问你们公司有没有特别优惠的价格? Do you have any special discounted price in your company? 折扣 discount. 折 means to fold. 扣 means to deduct. So no matter fold or deduct, it means to reduce the price. For example, 这家店正在举行打折活动，你可以去看看有什么折扣。This store is having a discount promotion. You can go and see what discounts they have. 我们可以给您一个5折的价格。We can offer you a 50% discount.
给我个折扣行不行？
原价 original price. 原 means original or initial. 价 we just said previously means price or value. Together is original value or original price. For example, 这件商品的原价是100元。The original price of this item is 100元。我们将在原价的基础上给您打8折。We will give you a 20% discount on the original price. 优惠 offer or discount. 优 means excellent or superior. 惠 means favor or benefit. So it's another way to say discount or it is an offer. For example, 我们为长期客户提供特别优惠。We offer special discounts for long-term customers. 今天是我们店的优惠日，所有商品都打折。Today is our store's discount day, and all items are on sale. 最终价格 final price. 最终 means final or ultimate. 价格 means price. We just said previously. For example, 这是我们的最终价格，没有更多的优惠了。This is our final price. There's no more discount available. 我们需要一些时间来确定最终价格。We need some time to determine the final price. 降价 reduce the price. 降 means to lower or to reduce. So together is lower or reduce the price. For example, 我们决定降价以吸引更多的客户。We decided to lower the price to attract more customers. 我们已经决定对这批货物进行降价处理。We have decided to lower the price for this batch of goods.
等房子降价了再买回来。
合理 reasonable. 合 means to combine or to fit. 理 means reason or logic. So to fit the logic or reason is reasonable. For example, 我们的定价是合理的。Our price is reasonable. 请告诉我们您心目中认为的合理价格。Please tell us the price you consider reasonable. 成本 cost. 成本 refers to cost or expense. It represents the total amount of money and resources required to produce or to provide goods and services. For example, 我们需要考虑生产成本来确定最终价格。We need to consider the production cost to determine the final price. 成本上涨导致产品售价的上调。The increase of costs result in the price adjustment for the product. 利润 profit. 利润 is profit in English. It refers to the financial gain or positive differences between company's total revenue and its total expenses or costs. For example, 我们需要考虑生产成本和销售价格来计算利润。We will need to consider production cost and selling price to calculate the profit. 为了保持竞争力，我们必须控制成本，同时增加利润。To maintain competitiveness, we must control costs while increasing profits. 满意 satisfied. 满 means full. 意 means idea or meaning. Together is satisfied. For example, 我们希望达成一个双方都满意的价格协议。We hope to reach a price agreement that both parties are satisfied with. 如果您有任何关于价格的顾虑，我们可以适度的调整，以使您满意。If you have any concerns about the price, we can consider making moderate adjustments to ensure your satisfaction. 确认订单 confirm the order. 确认 means to confirm or to verify. 订单 refers to an order or purchase request. For example, 在达成最终价格之前，请您先确认订单的细节和要求。Before reaching the final price, please confirm the details and the requirements of the order. 请您在24小时内确认订单，以便我们及时处理和安排发货。Please confirm the order within 24 hours so that we can process and arrange the shipment promptly. 最低价 lowest price. 最低 means lowest or minimum. For example, 请告诉我们您期望的最低价，我们会尽力满足您的要求。Please let us know the lowest price you expect, and we will do our best to meet your requirements. 考虑到您是老客户，我们可以给您一个特别优惠的最低价。Considering you are a loyal customer, we can offer you a special discounted lowest price. 付款方式 payment method. 付款 means payment or to pay. 方式 means method or way. For example, 请告诉我们您的首选付款方式。Please let us know your preferred payment method. 我们接受多种付款方式，包括信用卡、银行转账和现金。We can accept various payment methods, including credit cards, bank transfers, and cash. 批发价 wholesale price. 批发 means wholesale or to sell in bulk. For example, 我们的产品批发价仅适用于达到最低起订量的订单。Our product's wholesale price is applicable only for orders that meet minimum order quantity. 我们的批发价基于市场行情和成本，确保公平合理。Our wholesale price is based on market conditions and cost to ensure fairness and reasonableness. 零售价 retail price. 零售 means retail or to sell in a small quantity. For example, 请问您对我们产品的零售价是否满意？ May I ask if you are satisfied with the retail price of our products? 我们对零售价有一定的弹性，可以根据订单的规模和时效做出相应调整。Have some flexibility with the retail price and can make corresponding adjustments based on the scale and timing of the order. 报价 quotation 报 means to quote or to offer. So to quote a price is quotation. For example, 请问您能否给我们一个初步的产品报价 May I ask, if you can provide us with preliminary product quote, 您对我们之前提供的报价有任何疑问或建议吗？ Do you have any questions or suggestions about the quote we provided earlier? 合同 contract. 合 means together or combine. 同 means to agree or same. So together the same means contract. For example, 在价格谈判达成一致后，我们会立即签订正式的合同。After reaching an agreement in the price negotiation, we will immediately sign a formal contract. 合同中明确规定了产品的价格、数量和交付日期。The contract clearly specifies the price, quantity, and delivery date of the products. 定金 deposit. 定 means to order or to subscribe. 金 the terms means money or gold. So order money is your deposit. For example, 如果您取消订单，定金将不予退还。If you cancel the order, the deposit will not be refunded. 为了保留您所选产品，我们需要您支付一定比例的定金。To reverse the selected item for you, we require you to pay a certain percentage of the deposit.
按合同条款，3倍定额奉还。
付款期限 payment deadline. 付款 means payment or to pay. 期限 means deadline or time limit. For example, 付款期限是在收到货物后的30天。The payment deadline is 30 days after receiving the goods. 请注意，如果超过付款期限未支付款项，我们将取消订单。Please note, if the payment is not made within the payment deadline, we will cancel the order. 备货 stock up or inventory. 备 means to prepare. 货 means goods or merchandise. So to prepare goods is stock up or your inventory. For example, 我们正在积极备货，预计很快就能满足您的订单需求。We are actively stocking up and expect to meet your order requirements soon. 我们将按照您的订单数量及时备货，并尽量缩短交货时间。We will stock up remotely according to your order quantity and try to shorten the delivery time. So these are 20 most common Chinese words in price negotiation, and those examples may help you in your negotiation as well. However, always remember that Chinese is a building block, that you could change some elements in the sentence to make it another meaning. Okay, if you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you would like to know more about Chinese phrases, please click this video. And I will see you in next video. Bye.